Hello everybody, welcome back. Thank you for joining me for another video. All right, so listen, my last video where I did the ring pour and then the blowout on top, there was a lot of mixed emotions and reviews. Half of you loved it, half of you literally hated it. Some of you were on the fence, and that is totally cool. Not a problem. I get it. I wasn't huge fan of it. Now, it was still a little bit wet this morning, now when I'm doing this video, but I needed to get it out of the way so I can do today's video. So don't excuse the mess. Usually my table's nice and clean, but I'm trying to get ready for Asheville, and I can't. I don't have the time to do like fancy nice videos with an intro and this and that. But I was taking off the furniture levelers from the canvas, and it slipped out of my hands and fell face first onto my microphone cord thingy, which was sitting on the table over here. So I kind of ruined it a little bit, but I can probably embellish it with something maybe, I don't know. First off, here's what it looks like. It's literally almost dry, okay? So that's what it looks like. Okay, now I mucked it up. Where is it? So there's a big line right here, so you can see that. And then where's the other big kerfuffle? Right here. So yeah, right there. So yeah, that happened, and then you can see the big line right there. You know, whatever, it is what it is. I'm not actually mad because it's not one of my pretty blowout, pieces or commission for a client. So whatever is what it is. So I'll let it dry. I'll try and fix it up whenever I have time. Or if someone loves it so much and doesn't mind the little kerfuffle that's in it, you could buy it for like stupid cheap. I'll be willing to let that puppy go, like extremely inexpensive. So yeah, whatever. Now, a lot of you really loved the ring pour before I did the blowout on it. So today I'm gonna have some fun and I'm gonna do a ring pour. I think I've done maybe, 10 ring pours in my entire 5+ year artistic journey here. So yeah, do I know what I'm doing? I don't know. Did I mix the paints properly? I don't know. I just did some paint and water. There's no Floetrol in any of these, just paint and water. I think I did like 1 part paint, 1 part water, to be honest with you. I'm sure it's supposed to be maybe a bit thicker. Actually, this one's super thin. I think I'm gonna add just a little more paint to this one. So yeah, it's pretty much what I did, 1-to-1. Maybe that's wrong, I'm not really sure. But the colors I'm using, this one's Prussian Blue Phthalo by Amsterdam. Then I have Greenish Blue by Amsterdam. And then I have Permanent Blue Violet by Amsterdam. And then I have 2 Pebeo colors. I've got Iridescent Blue Green and Iridescent Blue Black. Is that it? Yeah, Iridescent Blue Black, just so that I can have some shimmer in my painting. I didn't want to add silver, gold, or anything like that. I want to kind of to keep it in the blues, although I'm sure silver would have looked fine. Probably would have, should have, would have, could have, but I didn't. And I'm just realizing right now, I don't have a cup to pour all these colors into. And I'm hoping I have enough, actually, now that I'm looking at it. I hope I have enough paint to cover this canvas. Just adding a little more purple here. So this is a 14 by 14 inch canvas. I had some other painting done on it. I had done some tester, something eons ago, like 5-6 months ago. And it's just been sitting in my studio, in the back room over there for the longest time. And I figured what a great time to paint over it. So I just painted it black just to kind of, get rid of the ugly ring pour that was on it before. I need a cup. Hold on. Okay, so I've got a cup, and I kind of gonna need, like, I don't have a slop bucket like a lot of people do. Like, they'll pick up the paint off the table and then use it like as a flow extender around the edge. I actually don't have that, so I may have to use just some, I'm probably just gonna use some black, you know, oxide black, which is my, you know, blowout paint. So that'll be just enough for flow extender purposes if need be, which I'm probably gonna need it. All right, so I did make quite a bit more of the blue-green because I want this to be more dominant because these are pretty dark colors. So I am gonna start a little bit with this one because it is gonna be the last color that comes out of the cup, you know, when I'm done with the ring pour. So yeah, I don't know. I haven't really figured out. Maybe I should just kind of put these in order real quick, just so I kind of figure out what I'm doing. Yeah, that seems about right. Let's do that. So next I'm gonna do the Prussian blue phthalo. Now, because my paints are so much thicker than my blowout paints, obviously the paint is sticking to the top and not sinking down the bottom like last time. So yeah, but I still feel like maybe these should be a little thicker. I'm not really sure. I didn't really have the time to sit and watch someone else's channel. Oh shoot, I'm supposed to be adding some blue. Let me put some blue in there. See, I'm too busy jibber jabbering and not paying attention. This is pretty thin though. I have a feeling it should be thicker. I probably should have watched maybe like the Massey Boys or something and, you know, kind of figured out what the paint consistency should have been. But anyways, whatever. I'm just gonna pour this all in. Let's just go for it. Let's just go for it. I have no care in the world at this point. It is what it is. Let's get every good drop, last good drop here. All right, 1 cup done. Let's do this might be a lot of paint, but I don't care. I'm just really stressing out. Oops. I just have so much going on. Look at that. I have so much going on with Asheville that I still have so many things to do. Oh, that goes here. Then I have this. So yeah, I have so many things to do. You know, I'm sorry in advance if I don't get any videos done ahead of time so that you guys have something to watch while I'm away in Asheville. It doesn't look like I'm gonna have time to do some stockpile videos. I'm sorry. I'm not sure. Yeah. You know what? This is a lot of paint. I may not even need flow extender at this point. Ay, caramba. Ah! I just got... Maybe I should take this painting off the table. I am a disaster. Okay, I do have some more of this left. I don't know, do I even need it? I probably don't even need it. I don't know. Maybe I'll use it as flow extender. I don't know. Okay, well, it looks pretty. Look at that. There's a lot of blue in there. I might regret how much blue is at the bottom there. Shoot. All right, forget it. Let's do it. Oh my gosh. This is going to be so much paint. Yeah, I definitely don't need any flow extender. None whatsoever. Zilch, zero, nada. And I'm kind of like just doing all these kind of circles here. I'm not really concerned about doing like perfect rings here in the center. Now I am, but before I wasn't. I kind of want to do a design. This is going to be interesting to see how it turns out. There's a lot of blue in here. I'm kind of maybe regretting that. Isn't that pretty? Can you even see that? Anywho, let me put my gloves on. I don't think I'm gonna need much of a flow extender at this point because there is a lot of paint on this canvas. I don't know, it looks like a lot of paint, maybe it's not. Let me get my torch. I think the colors are gonna be stunning, but let's pop the bubbles. Lots of bubbles, so many bubbles. What would happen if I had it on a spinner and I just started spinning? That would have been interesting, wouldn't it? Okay, well, as the boys say, it's tilting time. So whatever, let's just see what happens. You know, I didn't want to put any white or black in it or anything like that. So, you know, there's a lot of the Pebeo in here. I think I overdid it at the beginning, the first, you know, I did overdo it. Shucks. That's all right. Whatever. Okay, I'm going to bring it back. I totally overdid it. I'm going to try and pull a lot of this off the bottom. Listening to the paint drip is so cool, actually. Yeah, I kind of wish I had some more dark color in the center. This, I put way too much of the Pebeo's Iridescent. I did. Not gonna lie, I did. And I'm kind of not liking it. I'm gonna see if I can get rid of some of it down here off the edge. Sorry, I'm trying to like do it so you guys can see what I'm doing too. Ooh, I'm kind of liking that actually. Oh, well now we're talking. What's going on over here? Fully covered? Yes. So I still have, I kind of ruined my rings though. I totally overstretched this sucker, but you know what? I don't care because it looks super neato. Just gonna bring it back to the center. Yeah, I totally like super extended the rings. Uh-oh. You know what? I'm kind of liking this. You know, this is reminding me of the Northern Lights. So apparently there was some Northern Lights happening the last like couple of days back. And I'm so mad I missed it. I had no idea. I didn't know that was happening. And I didn't look up into the sky. So I totally missed it. But boy, oh boy, did I see a lot of pictures of people on Facebook who posted pictures. And I was like, darn it, I missed all of that. I didn't get to see any of that. Ah, no paper towel. I always have paper towel. This is so pretty. Like, I want to pop the bubbles, but I'm afraid to pop the bubbles because I don't want to get all these little fleckers and, you know, little, but there's a lot of bubbles. See, guess I didn't need that after all. Oh, let me see what happens. Oh, actually, you know what? It's okay. It's okay. Oh my gosh, this looks so cool. Oh, my torch needs butane. Oh, wow. Oh, wowzers. I can't wait to bring you guys in for a close-up. This actually looks, what on earth is happening to me? You know, sometimes it's just, you know, you shouldn't be in the studio. I'm actually also doing some laser stuff in the garage. Some cool stuff for my students who are joining me in Asheville. And you know, first time doing it, and some of them kind of got ruined, so I gotta do more. So yeah, keeping busy. But for those of you coming to see me in Asheville, I have something really cool for you guys that I'm doing on my laser for you. I'm excited. Okay, enough blubber blabbering. Let me bring you guys in for a close-up. All right, seriously though, these colors, stunning. But before I forget, because I forgot last time, you gotta scrape those drips. So I'm hoping, yeah, see, I feel like this paint is too thin for a ring pour. Like, I mean, it seems so thin. However, I'm glad that I actually painted the canvas black first for some coverage and, you know, that kind of thing. But look at this. First of all, what a mess on my table. But look at this. Like, I know I kind of overextended the rings and, you know, whatever, but this kind of looks very galactic to me. And this thing is going to shimmer like crazy because there's clearly a lot of Pebeo in here. So this is really cool. I'm loving it. And let's just turn the lights off and see what it looks like with the flash on. Alrighty, so the flash is on. And holy smokes, this thing is going to shimmer like crazy. I'm not surprised. Oh, look, and the blue black too is so, I'm so glad I didn't put silver or gold or anything like that in here. Just the blues, and then that little touch of purple, actually. Look at it, it just shimmers. It oozes shimmer. Actually, I'm really happy with this. And actually, you know what, that was a lot of fun. What wasn't fun was mixing all the paints prior. You know, oh yeah, look at that. I like it. I like it. Well, and there you have it, everybody. I'd love to know what you guys think about this ring pour. I didn't do a blowout over it, so let me know what you guys think. It will be available for purchase if anyone is interested in this galactical ring pour. I think it's super neat, actually. Very, very cool. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about it in the comments below. And yeah, I got to get my butt ready for Asheville. There's still time if you want to buy tickets to come and see me in Asheville. It's not too late. You can still come. www.fluidartexperience.com. I still have spots left in my classes if you are interested in joining me. That is it. Let me show you guys. Look who's out there. Hi, mister. Look at all the hair on the carpet. Juno. Hi, my little buddy. Keeps me company. Look at him. He's having a nap. Anywho, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, let me know what you guys think about it in the comments below. If you're interested, email me, kanellaciraco@gmail.com. That is it for me for now. Until next time, my friends, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Have a good night. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.